Hey, what is up everyone? It's your boy Daryl Arante here, and for today's video, let's review one of the most spam skincare ads on social media, which is the Lumin Men's Skincare. For those of you who are not familiar with the brand, Lumin Skincare is designed specifically for men. They claim to give a healthier, happier skin to dudes around the world. They offer single purchases and subscription packages that you would either do every 2 months or monthly, but it's all up to you. In my case, I decided to do the free trial first, where you only have to pay for the shipping and they would ask for your credit card info. I did a skin test online and they told me that I should try the correction trio set, which includes the Moisturizing Balm, Exfoliating Rub, and the Dark Circle Defense. Just want to let you guys know that since middle school, I've been suffering from acne. It was severe back in my teen years, but it's a rare occasion now, okay? Just an FYI. Anyways, fast forward, I was trying to cancel the free trial subscription because they would automatically charge me for full price if I don't, but my dumbass tried to cancel it, but their questions through the canceling process was so tricky, or maybe I was just so tired, but I ended up with a full set of correction trio set magic. So after using it for 30 days, let's have a review with this Lumin Skincare Correction Trio Set Lego. So as I mentioned, this review is going to be specifically about the Correction Trio Set, in which it helps you fix your dark spots, acne scarring, fine lines, puffiness, etc. You can see it on their website, by the way. Anyways, let me start by saying that the scent for each container is freaking godly amazing. Like, it's a 10 out of 10 scent. It smells clean and manly. The packaging design is also very clean, manly, and well done. It comes in black container. It gives you the ingredient list and full instruction, and is a friendly travel size. So I've tried many different face moisturizers, like from Dove to Brickle and to Rugged and Dapper, and the result was they either gave me tight feeling or felt too oily on my skin. After using the moisturizer balm from Lumin for the first time, it instantly gave me that good refreshing feeling on my skin. I thought it was only from the beginning, but it's been rehydrating my skin after using it for 30 days. It makes my skin feel bright, not too tight nor oily, rarely gives me a breakout too, which is perfect for my sensitive skin. The key ingredients are the water, glycerin, and the meadow foam seed oil. I know water and glycerin are the MVP ingredients for this because usually glycerin is a good for treating dry skin. It's something I remember from my college days. And I was researching meadow foam seed oil. It says that it's a non-greasy oil that rapidly absorbs on your skin and leaves a soft, smooth feeling. Instruction says use it before the bed and apply just a little dab in the morning, which I do follow the instruction, but I also apply an SPF lotion for extra sunscreen protection. I really love this moisturizer and perhaps will continue it because it brings my skin back alive and bright. The Exfoliating Rub. This right here, I could tell you right now, the game changer to my skin, personally, okay? I used to have those annoying white stuff on my chin for years, and after using it, it disappeared after each use, and it minimized the production of whatever those white stuff is. I just don't know the name. I couldn't tell, and I haven't been to the dermatologist. And that's within 7 days, okay? I'm already hooked on this product. My skin felt like a baby skin after each use. Instructions say use it no more than 2 to 4 times a week. To apply, rub it onto a clean, dry face, rub it for at least 30 seconds, or until you see the product start to ball up, then rinse with warm water. This provides a deep exfoliation in your face, so it should get rid of your dead skin stuff in your pores too. Again, Exfoliating Rub gives that smooth baby face feeling after each use, and I am freaking loving it. It's smaller in size compared to Moisturizer Balm, but you only use it for about 2 to 4 times a week. At the same time though, I think it's not enough in the container, but that's just my opinion. Anyways, excellent product, and this is most likely I'm going to ask for the refill. Last on the set is the Dark Circle Defense. A cream or gel supposed to minimize your dark circles around your eyes and reduce puffiness. It contains vitamin B3 to strengthen your skin and caffeine to reduce inflammation, aka puffiness around your eyes, and lemon extract to even skin tone out. It comes in a small container, like it's the same size as the exfoliator rub, in which I think it's too much if you just dab a little cream around your eyes every night. I think this container could last me up to a year. I use it almost every night and I like how it feels. It has the gel texture and it gives you that minty feeling, but not that strong. You know what I mean? Not sure if I got the results that it claimed, and I honestly would not buy this again for the price of it, okay? I mean, I would keep using it until I finish and hopefully get the results, but I am not going to ask for the refill. Overall, I am satisfied with the correction trio set, okay? Feels high-end, luxurious packaging, and it has that amazing manly scent. The Moisturizing Balm and Exfoliating Rub are both what I needed to improve my skin health. Definitely would get more of the Exfoliating Rub because it's the hands-down game changer for me, as it got rid of the annoying white stuff on my face. I would keep the moisturizer right now and see how it goes once I finish. As for signing up for the subscription, I would personally skip that one because I really just want the exfoliating rub at this moment. I certainly hope that it would maintain the right tone of my skin and get better results in the long run. Anyways, that's my Lumin skin review. Stay safe and stay amazing. Have a good day, everyone, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.